You're watching CT Live on NBC Connecticut.
Welcome back, everyone. Time now for another segment in our Be the Expert series brought to you by Hartford HealthCare. Today, we're getting an update on COVID-19 vaccine distribution in Connecticut. How is vaccine distribution going in Connecticut?
So far, February 26th, we know that about 300,000 Connecticut residents have been vaccinated, so that is definitely good news. There is still room to ramp up the vaccine process in the state, and with the third vaccine coming out, I feel that my priority at this time should be to vaccinate Connecticut residents with underlying conditions. So we need to get the vaccines into these residents' arm as quickly as possible at this time.
There is an element of mistrust and hesitancy in the Black and Latinx communities about the vaccine. Why is that?
The answer to that question is quite complex, and it is rooted in the social inequities that these minority populations have been facing over several decades. The important question that we need to answer is that, we need to figure out a way that we can engage with these minority communities in a way that is acceptable to them, because data has shown that Blacks and Hispanics are 2 to 3 times more likely to die from COVID, as well as have COVID complications.
What should everyone know about the vaccine's safety?
We know that without a shadow of a doubt that both the Moderna and the Pfizer vaccines are not only highly effective, but also very safe. There are reports that some people will say they have pain at the site of injection, fevers, headaches, and body aches. But, those are expected reactions. That's your body's immune system building a cavalry of soldiers that can respond to when you do get infected with the virus. These reactions fade away by day 2 to day 3 after the vaccine is given. So we're very fortunate. We live in a time that we have 3 vaccines that are highly efficient and also very safe. We understand that process here in our organization, and we're doing everything possible to make sure that we can get people vaccinated as quickly as possible. Our vaccine campaign is rooted in racial and social equity. As an organization, we really understand that access to health is a fundamental right of every individual. We're conducting free webinars, making the vaccine education accessible to everyone. We have vaccine clinics in the Hartford and New Britain area and across all urban communities in the state. We're also conducting, personal home visits for people and folks who cannot leave their homes, and also doing vaccine mobile clinics where we're taking the vaccine to the communities that are underserved so they have easy access to the whole process. We feel very, responsible that, that this is a unique time for our country, especially our Connecticut residents, and we have to do everything possible to make sure that we can get them vaccinated as quickly as possible so we can get our life back to normal.
To register for that free webinar, visit hartfordhealthcare.org/virtual classes or call 855-HHC here.